all types of fast-rolling cricket in Western Bay, and how to bowl them today. The first video. Bootlet bounces and goes over the shoulder but below the top of head of the batsman in his batting stance. It's called the bouncy ball. Third delivery is in swing. An in-swinger is bowled by holding the ball with the seam very full and the first two fingers slightly across the seam so that is an angle touchel to the leg side. Third is the outswinger. The main delivery is the reverse swing. Before starting reverse swing, I mentioned you that how can we learn all of these balls? There is a cricket academy by the name of Cricket Academy of Patents, and you can learn all of these deliveries of the Corsaro swing matter. This academy uses too much good technology systems like reviewing your bowling, where the mistake, this is all you can learn in there in Patents Cricket Academy. All of the balls you can learn there. Learn all and join Cricket Academy of Patents. For more information, click on the links below in descriptions. The full address is there on the reverse swing. light catcher. Bowler relies on normal spin lever with the wrist locked in position and the first 2 fingers positioned on the top of the ball. Off control. Relies on normal passing lever with the wrist locked in position and the first 2 fingers positioned on the tip of the ball. The knuckleball. This is enjoying delivering very strong lever. A knuckleball is a type of lever employed by fast bowler and a type of slower ball. Yeah. 75% of this delivery is ace. The slower ball likes to delivery. This bowling speed is about 100 to 129. Slower ball is slower than usual delivery from fast bowler. And don't forget to subscribe to Am's New Thread channel. The link has been given below in the description. Don't forget. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. May it be a cricket pro in Am's.